Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do the secret menu on your Samsung TV. So first thing to do is turn off your TV, and on your remote control, you can do the combination info, settings, mute, and power. So after that guys, you can see on your TV screen the secret menu pop up, and you can explore everything what is the settings there in your Samsung TV. So again guys, I'm gonna teach you. First thing to do is turn off your TV, and when you're remote, you can do the combination. You can, first thing is click the info, then settings, and then mute, and lastly is power. So after that guys, wait for a few seconds while your TV is on, so you can see there the different settings on your TV, and you can also watch, or you can see there your, or how many hours your TV was displayed in your home. So the lifespan of your TV guys is 50,000 hours. So you can monitor your TV hours, or how many hours that your TV is consumed. So you can see that guys in your secret TV menu on how many hours your TV was displayed in your home. So again guys, the TV lifespan is 50,000 hours. So if you are confused how to check or how many hours your TV is consumed, so you can do that secret menu guys. You can see it in your secret menu on your Samsung TV. So again, the secret menu to see the settings in your TV is info, settings, mute, and power. So you can press it consistently guys, so that you can do that, or so that the settings will appear on your TV screen. So thank you for watching guys. If this videos help you, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. God bless.